Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost AirPods Pro, instant fix step by step clearly. To locate your lost AirPods Pro, begin by ensuring they are charged. Open your iPhone or iPad, as this is essential for the tracking process. Launch the Find My app on your device. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Once inside the app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom. Scroll through the list to find your AirPods Pro. Select your AirPods Pro from the list. You will see their last known location on the map. If they are nearby, tap on Play Sound to help locate them. Listen for the sound that will play from the AirPods. If your AirPods Pro are out of range, check the map for their last recorded location. Note that if they are in their case, you won't be able to play a sound. If you find them, ensure to charge them if needed. For more advanced tracking, consider enabling the Notify When Found option. This will alert you once your AirPods are back online and within range. If your AirPods have been lost for a while, check common areas you may have visited. Retrace your steps to see if they may have fallen out. In addition, consider searching in or near any bags or pockets you used recently. Once you locate them, pair them again if necessary. Always keep your AirPods in a case to help avoid future loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.